Here's an assembled Rearrunner FAT, and here is it unassembled. You can see that this part right here matches this over here. You just bend this in, so that gets bent in. These two pieces right here are the ones that go onto, snap onto these right here. The two ends slide onto this part right here. I'll show you how that works. That's in essence that part right there that goes into the two ends of this. Then you screw this and this onto those end pieces right there, connected to that piece right there. You can see that right there. This piece is that. This nut and this bolt go right in here and connect to this right here, and this end right there goes into those spots, and that's how you get from this to this.